Hello, good morning. It's November 16 today, and we have a blizzard going on in Edmonton, Alberta. See, guys? Yeah, look how much it's snowing. It's a real blizzard going outside, and I'm going for a run outside actually. I got my boots here, big boots. And then I got these things. How we call these? Ice tracks. Yeah, so I don't slip. It's there's spikes for the shoes. Yeah, so I don't slip and break my head. Yeah, so I'll put them on. See you guys in a bit. Okay, guys. So I'm all set to go for a jog outside. It makes it more of a challenge when I have to wear these heavy boots here. And check out what I have. I have the spikes on my boots. Yeah. So I'm gonna make it more of a challenge to run in these boots with the spikes on. Yeah. So let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna open the door to the Christmas Wonderland. Wow, look at this. Look at my door. Look at how much snow is outside. It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard, guys. It's crazy. Yeah, you guys can see everything is white outside. It's snowy. It's not so cold, I would say. Yeah. I think Santa Claus lives somewhere here in this part of the world. Look at this, guys. Much snow. It's a real blizzard here. Yeah, so I'll go for a jog in this blizzard. So wish me luck. See you guys later. Okay, going for a run in this blizzard. Oh man, can't even see where I'm running. Holy moly, is it ever so snowy? Look, guys. Look where I'm running. Whoa. Oh, look, a bird up there. Hello there, good morning. As you guys can see, I have my spikes for my boots. As you guys can see, I'm gonna put them on my boots now. Yeah. See you guys in a bit. Okay, as you guys can see, we're outside after the snowfall. As you can see, how much snow fell here. Let's start to jog a bit. Whoa, look at this. Look how so deep. Can't even see my foot. Okay, Look at this beautiful morning here. Look at this, guys. Yep, sure is beautiful. And I'll start off by going for a jog for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll be back. Yeah, so let's start.